See, I remember I exist, especially with the shit can't seem to see eye to eye or make it out alive. Young, see, I remember days I felt like I didn't exist, especially with the thought of never mind the chick can't seem to see eye to eye to wishing like fuck your pride was $1 to motherfucker if you don't make it out alive. Young, see, I remember days I felt like I didn't exist, especially with the thought of never mind the chick can't seem to see eye to eye to wishing like fuck your pride was $1 to motherfucker if you don't make it out alive. Young nigga, I gotta thrive, but that's my only option. Can post a picture of my daughter without that when you drop it. Comment the reassures that when I drop it's poppin'. Pinky promise to my daughter like it ain't no stopping. Old school cutting corners like a nigga cropped in. 4-5 in the dash spray, I never got it. I tried to drink it away, but I confronted instead. I'm never scared, let off a Kendrick ad-lib. Josh Stray, another Kendrick ad-lib. Blood 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 Stray, another Kendrick ad-lib.